as the core power sources for ships. Marine diesel engines provide enough power to propel the ship through various water conditions. These engines reach considerable levels of power and size, along with highly complex structures. The all-in-one ZW3D provides robust support for designing large-scale marine diesel engines and can meet the needs throughout the design process, helping enterprises realize the digitalization of design. Complex designs often begin from simple sketches. The sketch function in ZW3D is easy to use and offers a blend of tools. ZW3D provides a variety of part design tools to help users build different complex shapes. ZW3D allows users to create and edit models easily and quickly. ZW3D provides a variety of intelligent and convenient assembly functions. The Copy with Constraints function allows users to copy and constrain components by simply selecting the corresponding constraint objects, eliminating repetitive and tedious assembly tasks. Assembly Mirror can help users create symmetric components quickly. Select suitable standard parts. Use the Auto Hole Match function to automatically identify the installation position and quickly complete the assembly of standard parts. During the assembly process, users can use the Interference Check function to quickly identify the interference location, preventing interference issues. ZW3D provides a pipe modeling module with a blend of standard pipe parts. It can quickly and intuitively complete automatic routing, bending, fitting installation and dynamic adjustment by dragging. The specialized piping module in ZW3D makes complex piping design a breeze. Everyone can easily complete designs of various pipes and standard pipe parts as needed. With the Motion Simulation module, the components can be assembled into a motion mechanism to simulate the movement of each component under a power drive. Engineers can set up different power drive modes, observe the response and performance of the component, analyze interference, dynamic and static space, etc. This module can effectively help engineers analyze the motion problems of the mechanism at the early stage of design. In addition to intuitive animations, it can export a variety of data charts for in-depth analysis. In the process of designing marine diesel engines, it is crucial to verify the structural performance of key components. Therefore, ZW3D incorporates a CAE module that enables engineers to identify whether key components meet performance requirements for necessary optimization at the early stage of design. Engineers can use the simulation module to analyze and obtain detailed performance data. After obtaining the analysis results, the model can be adjusted directly within the software, without switching between programs. The integrated design and simulation workflow can significantly improve design efficiency and ensure data consistency and accuracy. For large and complex equipment like marine diesel engines, ZW3D has the technology that allows quick access to them and smooth display and viewing of them in various modes. This facilitates users in completing a variety of viewing and reviewing tasks. ZW3D can smoothly handle the dynamic sectioning of diesel engines containing multiple complex systems. The large view generation technology allows the rapid generation of multiple views of the overall diesel engine model. The auto-drafting function helps users realize the view generation of each subsystem component at one time, which significantly improves design efficiency. The drawing function based on the style standard can generate engineering drawings conforming to different standards, ensuring the accuracy and standardization of drawings. ZW3D has rich APIs, excellent extensibility, and compatibility, making it adaptable to various management systems, such as ZW Teamworks. ZW Teamworks provides online retrieval and utilization of information centered around parts and BOM, covering scenarios from creation, change, authorization to change execution. It can be perfectly integrated into the enterprise's product lifecycle management process, realizing seamless transfer of design data and version control. The integrated solution of ZW3D and ZW Teamworks empowers effortless collaboration. ZW3D continues to provide more efficient and intelligent all-in-one solutions to create more value for our customers.